Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix an auger motor that's brand new that you've just installed, and when you hit the power switch it doesn't turn on. And if you're like most of us, once you messed around with it, you go through 3 coping mechanisms. This is what a lot of us will do. This is what I like to do. And this is also a common approach. But the fix is a lot simpler than any of those 3. I'll get you back to barbecuing in no time. So you've turned it on, it's not working. The fix is so simple. You probably have this tool, it's called a Phillips head screwdriver. Loosen the screws, almost loosen them to the point where they are just finger tight. You'll be surprised at how loose you need to make these. Once you got it loose, there it goes. And all you got to do is just loosen those screws. And I don't know why they put them on so tight in the factory, but they do. Here's the auger motor, it's working. The pellets are moving again and your food is cooking. So hopefully that fixes it for you. Hey, if this video helped you, you owe me a beer, or at least hit that subscribe button. Have a great day and enjoy your barbecue. Bye.